Hello, mic test. Mic test.
So hello everyone. Welcome to Tara Kape Podcast. Parang we've been talking about this
Yes.
before na parang I really wanna make a podcast. Tara Kape Podcast is basically made because we love coffee and conversations. Where in every episode we feature small or local coffee shops here in Pampanga or wherever I am. And for today's highlight is we are featuring Paya Street Coffee. Paya Street Coffee is located their first branch is located dito sa labas ng village ni na Mitch, kaya
Yes,
super
very
lapit
near.
and very favorite. Yeah, super budget friendly na coffee. And also they have a lot of branches na here. If hindi ako nagkakamali, they have 5 branches na. Visit their socials for updates and their locations. They have like a lot and you can search them online. Actually, this podcast says, or super ano lang wag like chill
Yeah,
lang tayo.
yeah.
Hindi
Oo
natin
nga.
kailangan mag-set na expectation about like, basically like nagkukwentuhan lang. So as I've
Oo.
mentioned the earlier nga, so parang I've been planning to have this kind of platform where it's a safe space for everyone, for my friends especially. My first guest here is Mitch C.
Yes, hello
Yeah.
everyone.
Yes. So Mitch C is my friend from Jungle Bay. So kindly introduce yourself and what do you do in life?
Yes, so hi everyone, I'm Mitch. I met Jess in Jungle Base. We go to specifically a class called Jungle Lift,
Yeah.
wherein we're all close. So I think it's been
Super.
around
Parang
three
two, yeah,
years.
three na,
Yeah.
2 or 3 years, ganun na katagal ang ating parang friendship. It all started there.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
pero si Mitch is not really Kapampangan. I mean, like, she doesn't
Yes.
really live here. So, what is the story about that?
Yeah, so I was gonna add to that because when I moved to Pampanga, I had no friends. So sabi ko, best place to get friends is through a gym because it's community.
Yeah.
And then back in Alabang, I was already doing weightlifting.
Yeah. So, may
So
background ka
and
na.
then I saw jungle lift class, weightlifting. Oh my God.
Yes.
Okay. And then the first time I attended, I think it was a Wednesday. And then, at that time pa may black turf and green turf, 'di ba? Oh, doon
Yeah.
ako sa
Kasi sa
green
gym namin may
turf.
ganon. Parang yung
May
flooring nung
division.
gym, may parang,
Yeah,
it wasn't
yeah.
made for that specific, pero kasi parang before, kapag black turf, yung
Yung
mga
heavy
heavy
lifters,
lifters, pag
yes.
green, parang mga beginner ka lang, dyan ka lang muna. Pero wala namang nag-set na parang kami lang yun, parang naging notion lang na parang,
Yes, yes.
okay. And
Ayun.
then,
So, sa green turf ako, tapos kaharap ko si Jay.
yeah,
I was at the very back, tapos kaharap ko si Jay. And, yeah, parang in a way, naging first friend ko rin
si
siya.
Jay.
And then there, so, what I love about Jungle Lift is everyone's so close. So, when I attended Jungle Lift, immediately I had friends. But tas nakailang house party na tayo dito.
Yeah,
Ayun.
I know. So, parang the rest is history.
Yes, that's
So, yeah.
true.
And then, prior no, like, anong ginagawa mo now? Like, parang,
Ah,
what's your,
so I'm a teacher, believe it or not. I teach young kids. So I studied early childhood education. Yeah, and I've been teaching young kids for around 12 years.
yeah. And these
Ayun.
children are not Pinoys, diba? I mean, like,
Ah,
you teach in
most now where I teach, it's an international school.
international
So
school kasi.
yes, maraming mixed, maraming foreigners,
Yeah.
marami ring konting Filipino. So yeah. Pero in Manila, where I would teach not in international
Yeah.
schools. So halos Filipinos, but yeah,
Oh,
usually rich. So
yeah. Kasi pag IS, alam niyo naman, pag international school, right? Kasi malaki
yes.
talaga yung bigayan dyan. Charot.
Yes. Kaya dapat as a teacher in international schools, dapat medyo makapal, dapat strong ka rin
Yes,
kasi
I
you're
know.
the parents you're facing there are the richest. So,
Yeah, at saka parang iba yung culture
medyo
nila, iba yung
yes.
personalities, 'di ba? So,
Dapat
'yun.
matapang ka
Yeah,
rin.
malakas yung loob mo kumbaga, parang gano'n.
Yes,
Oh my gosh.
yes.
And then, what's the other hobbies that you do? Aside from, kasi I know you adrenaline junkie ka, girl. I know. So, you
Well,
better
yeah,
let them
actually.
know.
Me medyo nag-lay-low na ako, but I used to hike a lot. Siguro mga every other week, I'd be on the mountain. And because I used to live in BF Homes, 'di ba, 5-10 minutes away from Alabang. And then
Mm.
in a way, near Batangas. So, daming
South ka na
bundok
kasi.
doon.
Kumbaga south
Yes.
ka na. Yeah.
Yes. So, medyo nandun ka na. So, every other weekend, I'd be on a mountain, may it be Batangas or Rizal. And
Yeah.
then, that time pa, hindi uso yung, what call this? Yung hiking tours.
Yeah.
So, ako magdadrive, I'll bring a
Magdi-DIY, as
car.
in DIY ka
DIY
now.
lahat.
Yeah.
Back then, Nox, back then.
Oo.
Kanya-kanya kayo. So,
Yeah.
I would pull. Sobrang addict ko sa hiking noon. So, I would pull friends. Back, at that time, 360 my gym.
Mm-mm.
Ang dali din mahatak ng mga
Mga tao doon.
Kasi nga, lahat fit. So,
Yeah.
a weekend on the mountains isn't a big deal. So, ayun. So, hiking. But now, after the pandemic, homebody na ako. Netflix girl na.
So, parang nag-transition ka. Nag-transition yung energy mo from this
Yes.
super active girl. Pero
Tutita
parang alam
na.
ko once in a while, even naman na nung pandemic, like after the pandemic, somehow
Hike.
nag-hike ka pa, right?
Yes, that's true. But
Na-
now, I don't know. Not,
Mm-mm.
I think age.
Yeah. Or parang
Age factor na
different priorities na din. Kasi like parang, we're
That's
maturing
true.
enough. And then yung energy natin is not the same as the energy before. And then, anything pa like you want to share about your life?
I'm single, so
Actually, yun yung the reason why
because
I'm
that's what they're
here.
gonna talk.
Yeah, that will be the topic. So leading to that statement, our topic for this very first episode is the feeling of being single.
Oh my gosh,
Ooh.
Jess, I'm the best
Actually,
person.
sabi niya nga, I'm the key
May
person.
master's degree
Oo,
na ako sa
parang
single.
parang masterclass to ng how to be single 101. Parang ganon.
But hopefully, I'll graduate na.
Yeah. Going back, ang topic natin or ang pag-uusapan natin today, guys, is the topic of being single. I mean, like, there's nothing wrong about being single, right? Feeling ko.
Yes, that's true.
Kasi, actually, sige, Mitch, kailan, single ka ba, like, ever since? Really? Oh my gosh, we're the same. I mean, like, NBSB.
Really?
Sis, di ba, I told you, NBSB ako.
Actually, di ko alam kung aminin ko right now and then. But, why not? Diba?
I mean, like, parang kasi yung mga flings are not counted eh. Kasi
Oo
you
nga.
don't commit.
Yun,
Hindi ka nag-commit doon eh. So, basically, you're not,
yes.
hindi ka nagka-jowa. Parang gano'n na.
Yes, yung
Kasi ako
official.
din oh my gosh, like,
Ba?
ako like, inaano ko na to sa public. Parang, parang
I
biglang yung,
No.
sis, no, like,
And
parang,
maybe me. People
madaming mga
wouldn't
flirt,
have.
madaming mga like, mga flirt kami, mga
Oo.
MUMU, yung mga
Yes,
situationship
yes,
pa. Ngayon,
yes.
situationship is very, like,
Normal.
normal.
Yo.
Dati parang, like, hindi mo masasabi na that's situationship. But then again, that's a
True.
different topic na.
Mm-mm.
But, so, yeah, like, NBSB ka din.
Aw.
Oh my gosh, the same. Welcome to the
Actually,
club.
I don't like that label because it's a label and we're more than that. Max.
Anong label? Yung
Yung
SB? So,
Kasi
it's
that's a
na.
label in a way.
Really? Okay.
So,
Or parang ako,
but
hindi
yes,
ko lang
I
siya
am-
masyadong binibig deal. Parang like, dahil
Yeah.
nakasanayan ko na parang like,
that's true,
yeah,
that's
well,
true.
kasi like, that's NBSB.
Kasi when people find out you've never had a boyfriend or NBSB.
NBSB, no boyfriend since birth.
Huh? Kasi
Yeah, nagiging
yung
siya.
yung image nila of that kind of girl, ganto eh. So if ginugulat mo sila, parang, ay, NBSB ka pala. Ay, parang,
Bakit?
look
Sa
down
parang,
on you.
hindi, tsaka
ganon.
parang yun kasi parang, pag doon kasi nagle-lead din yung parang like, what's wrong with you?
Yes.
Kasi parang
That's why I don't like it
tatanungin
kasi
nila.
for me, it's a label. But also, bakit? Ano ngayon?
Yeah, at saka parang
Diba?
like, it's more of like empowerment din. Like,
Yes.
actually, yung pagiging single kasi, it's a matter of like, how will you like perceive it eh. Like, paano mo titignan kung maganda ba yung, I mean like, kung positive ba yung outlook mo on being single or like, kasi may mga ganun eh. For example, ako, maganda yung outlook on being single kasi like, I do whatever I can do.
Yes.
Or whatever I want to
Yes.
do. So parang yun yung attack ko sa like parang being single. So what? Because like, I love being single for now.
Mm-mm.
But then yung iba kasi,
For now.
yeah, for now. Pero yung iba kasi parang 'di ba, parang I'm single pa rin. Like, kaya doon nagli-lead na parang gusto ko na like you do everything para alam mo yun, makahanap ka ng for you.
Okay, so we're on the same page. Kasi it's how you handle it din eh. Parang, ano
Diba?
ka ba, victim mindset na,
Oo.
wala ako jowa.
Are you gonna, diba?
So,
Pity party.
desperate ka in a way. But we're not desperate, right? So, but if you, sige, fine, I've never had a boyfriend. Pero, okay, then, I'm gonna live my life
Yeah,
however I
no.
want it. And ganun tayo.
True.
So, That's true. It's how you handle it.
Minsan lang yung naging reaction ng tao like when you're NBSB. Tapos alam nga nila na parang you're super outgoing
Oo.
with our
Parang
personality.
bakit?
'Di ba? We're super
Oo.
like, alam mo yun,
Oo.
like
I
adrenaline
think our common
junkies.
ground is we're always out.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, we
Extrovert.
have a lot of friends. We're
Yeah.
extroverts. Tapos parang, bakit?
Pero yun nga, so parang going back to the topic, like the feeling of being single. Ikaw ba right now, what do you
Single ba
really
ako?
feel? What do you
Ah,
really feel ba? As we age, parang, still single. Usually, like, what's the main thing na pumapasok sa'yo na parang, alam mo yun, or na-feel mo talaga, number
mm,
one?
I got you. Well, now I'm 35 years old. Oh my gosh. And this year I'm feeling it. But ever
Shit.
since from 20 to
Di ba?
34,
May
I've
ganon.
di naman
You never
never.
felt na parang like,
Siguro na 30s medyo na. Pero in my 20s, I never felt na I need a boyfriend. Sarap kaya maging
yeah,
single.
I love
I
it.
did whatever I wanted. I went to the gym, I hiked, I went every
Yeah.
weekend, I was out with friends. Parang there was no need or desire.
Na
Well, that's
magkaroon ng
me,
jowa.
that's
Yeah.
me. But when nung 30s, tas especially now 35, goal ko kasi now is to not really have a boyfriend, but to
To
open
open up yourself more,
myself.
yeah.
Yes, and
Sa
be
people.
more
Kasi,
feminine.
okay,
And
so I'm gonna cut you on that. Kasi sabi mo now na parang mas maging open ka. Before ba, medyo like, ano mo yun, reserved ka ba na parang takot ka na magjowa or parang mag-commit?
that's a good question. Parang siguro may fear. Parang ang taas ng walls ko.
Talaga?
Maraming factors.
Yeah. Of course.
Like, siguro
yeah.
childhood
Yeah.
and
Well, yung mga ganong factor na like mga psychological factors, like,
Mm-mm.
syempre, 'di ba?
Mm-mm.
Hindi lang naman because na parang I just don't feel it. 'Di ba? No, kasi minsan may mga like mga parang which is hindi na natin i-discuss ito kasi it's a different topic. Well, pwedeng factor yung traumas and everything
Yes,
about guys.
yes.
So, yun na nga. But then, yun nga, sabi mo, you're very open na this year.
This year, finally.
Yeah.
Yes, now
Today,
I'm realizing, I mean, if you want someone, hindi lang pala ganun kadali. As the movies
yeah.
tell us, you know?
Oo.
Kasi if you're not, yun ang lesson learned ko this year, na parang all this time, di ako open up. Yung puso ko napakasarado. That's why, I've never had a boyfriend. But I do
Mm-mm.
not regret
Yeah.
all those years. Kasi hindi rin ako naghahanap eh. Sarap
Yeah.
maging single, guys.
Totoo.
I think it's the best gift. I mean, coming back to singleness,
Yeah.
I think it's the best gift I've given myself.
Ako din siguro,
Mm-mm.
ako din not siguro, pero for sure, hindi ko nire-regret na, alam mo yon may mga nakaka-chat ako dati na hindi ko talaga like, di ako nagtuloy. Kasi siguro I'm not ready pa
Yes,
before. So, bakit ko
yes.
siya ipipilit? So, sinundan ko lang yung instinct ko na, no, not now. Mas,
I love myself
yeah,
more.
mas binigyan ko ng time yung sarili ko. Mas in-improve ko yung sarili ko. Mas naging busy ako sa sarili ko. Ako kasi ang mindset ko nun, kung nagkaroon ka na ng special someone or like, nagka-boyfriend ka na. Naniniwala kasi ako na yung ginagawa mo ng single ka, hindi mo siya magagawa when you have a boyfriend na.
Yes, may ganyan din akong
Lalo na for
mindset.
example, meron kang, yung trip mo hindi niya trip.
Mm.
Well, pwede naman kasi compromise. Sasabihin nyo, compromise na lang yung mag-jowa. Pero kasi iba pa rin yung parang like, wala kang iniintinding iba.
Yes.
Like, I just do it. Kunwari, gusto mo mag-hike. Hindi mo na parang, babe, do you hike?
Papaalam ka pa?
Oo, tapos may mga friends ako dyan, parang hindi makapag-ano. Charot! Hindi kasi mahirap na talaga. Hindi naman sa parang partner na siya agad. Pero kasi, consider mo kasi talaga yung jowa mo sa mga decision mo. Kasi hindi na lang naman ikaw eh. Kasi, I really do believe na parang yung pagjojowa is a preparation na for commitment. Long-term,
Yes,
lifetime commitment na. Parang nagpapractice ka na niyan
Kasi
eh.
serious girls tayo.
Yeah, serious tayo. Ako nga, sabi ko nga, kung may makilala ako, gusto ko yun na yun. Diba? Like,
Ideally, oo.
Diba? Gusto mo ba na
Ako
parang like,
rin.
I'm definitely, lang, flirt lang. Tapos, pag hindi mag-workout, like, ito nakakatawa. I've never been into like a serious relationship, pero I have experienced a lot of heartaches. Have you experienced that? Biglang, have you experienced that? Kasi
I
diba,
guess nothing serious.
yeah, yung pain kasi, may experience mo siya in any form. Kahit na naman, yun nga, sabi ko, hindi ka committed dun sa isang guy, kahit na fling lang kayo. Yung pain kasi, or yung heartbreak kasi, hindi naman kasi siya pang jowa lang eh.
Oo, tama.
Pang ano,
Pare, yung crush mo, hindi
feeling
ka
ko mas
crush.
masakit siya.
Pain na yun, di
Mas
ba?
masakit siya kapag walang commitment, yung pain.
Oo.
So yeah, like going back, like have you experienced pain?
Siguro it wasn't so painful enough for me to remember now. Parang wala
Yeah,
siguro nung I guess you could say situationship or
Mm.
fling or MU. Yeah, growing up. Pero siguro sila yung nagka-pain dahil sa
Oh
akin.
my gosh. Okay, so iba pala.
Parang
Say,
gano'n.
oo, yun pala, ikaw pala
Oo,
yung
oo,
ano.
gano'n. Kasi very manhid ako before.
Is being single really a choice? Or parang dahil lang wala, parang walang nakakagusto or whatsoever?
It's a choice because especially in this day and age, ang dali
Yeah,
magka-boyfriend, ang dali, 'di ba?
yeah.
Pwede ka nga
Kahit sino lang, ganyan and everything.
I mean like just to have a boyfriend. I think
Yeah.
ang dali na nun now.
Mm-mm.
But the fact that we don't have
It means,
in an easy, swipe culture, yeah, I guess you could say
yeah, feeling
it's a
ko din, it's
choice.
a choice. And there's nothing wrong, again, of being
Mm-mm.
single and getting that choice. Kasi, dun papasok yung readiness mo, alam mo,
Yes.
willingness mo
Yes,
din
that's
to
true.
date and to know a person or
That's
to do.
true.
So for you, it's a choice.
Siguro nung una, hindi. But
Yeah.
eventually, yes, it's a choice.
Oo.
So, it's a good choice.
Yeah.
Not
it's a
just a
good,
choice,
it's a,
it's a good choice.
and it's a lady's choice.
Yeah,
Ginawang
yes,
mayonnaise,
yes.
ladies'
Hindi kasi
choice.
parang, sige, I've been single ever since. So, if someone, kung may taong alam the benefits of being single, that's gonna be me
Yeah.
and you. And there's a lot of benefits. And
Oh
when
my
you're ready
gosh.
for love, I think it will come at the right time.
Okay, nabanggit mo
Pero
na
yung
din yung
singleness,
benefits. Okay.
oo,
Let's go to the advantage and disadvantages
of
of being a
single.
single. Oh my gosh, parang magle-list down tayo ngayon.
Okay, advantage, you
Ad-
do whatever you want.
Okay.
Disadvantage, wala kang kadate sa movies.
Well, okay, for you, okay. Sa akin naman, ang advantage of being single is that you get to improve and know yourself more.
Yes, that's true.
Disadvantage lang for me ng wala kang jowa is baka makasanayan mo siya. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh, baka makasanayan mo siya
Yeah.
na sobrang empowered ka na single ka, baka makasanayan mo siya na parang
Konting hassle
tama
lang.
ba?
Ayoko
I mean,
yan.
like, okay ba yun? I mean, like, parang, okay
That's
ba
a
yun?
good,
Okay
that's a
bang
good.
feeling ba yun? Okay bang feeling yun na, parang like, no, I'm okay with myself. Ganyan.
Remember, nung sinabi ko na, pag na-feel mo na yun na, I think I need to open up. I think, so you need to follow it. Kasi if not, like, yun nga, nafe-feel ko yun this year. If tinigasan ko pa yung sarili ko, no, I'm independent. I can do it by
Yeah.
myself.
Baka kasi
Talaga hindi na ako
Oo.
magkaka-jowa niyan.
Yes.
So you need to, I think you need to follow yung arrow kung
Mm-mm.
saan ka dinadala and the timing. I agree, yes, disadvantage siya.
Di
Kasi
ba?
being independent is good and doing everything for yourself is good. But if nasobrahan, yes, I think disadvantage
Kasi
siya.
parang, yun nga,
Because we
baka,
need help. We do
yeah.
need.
Ako naniniwala ko, no man is an island.
Yes.
Right now, oo, sabihin mo na, no, kaya ko naman eh. Like, kahit nasa bahay nga lang ako, Netflix and chill.
Yes, yes.
But then again, it's not pang long run.
Yes.
Gets mo?
yes.
Nagbabago yung
Mm-mm.
mundo.
Mm-mm.
Nagbabago yung environment.
Parang for a time lang siya.
Mm-mm.
Ganun.
Kaya nga yun,
Mm-mm.
kaya nga parang part yun na need mo ding i-embrace na kapag kailangan mo ng me time or solo time, then just
Yes.
grab it.
Yes.
Kakailanganin mo yung sense of affection sa ibang tao.
Yes.
Romantic affection. Does standard really matter? Or is it really a must? Ngayong single tayo, like for example, syempre single ka, and you get to like parang, makikipag-date ka, or makikipagkilala ka sa ibang tao. Does it really have to be like, ma-meet nung guy yung standard? Or, ikaw, what's your take
That's a
on
good
that?
question. Actually, the more you're single, the more magkaka-standard ko talaga.
Talaga. Yeah.
Diba? Kasi I treat myself like this.
Yeah, yun nga.
That's why will you let a guy mistreat you?
Yes.
Kaya ngayon, that's why it's so good to be single kasi you know your worth, you
Yun.
love yourself.
Doon pumapasok yun.
Oo,
Yeah.
na tsaka parang, why will I let someone mistreat me?
Ito na yung, alam mo,
This is me.
in-improve ko yung sarili ko.
Oo.
Alam mo yun, pinaganda ko yung sarili ko, tapos
Tapos
gaganunin
ganyan mo lang ako.
Oo.
Diba?
So, doon pumapasok din lahat yun. Parang,
dapat talaga may standard ka.
Yeah.
But not, I'm also learning
Yeah,
na
that's
dapat
so true.
realistic
yes.
ang standards mo. Ang mga, they call it non-negotiable.
Okay.
Like, Ako, sorry pero non-negotiable ko height. I know it's a physical trait, pero I'm 5'8", so I really want someone same height or taller.
Yeah,
Ako,
wag naman yung
I'm
super
sorry to say, yun, non-negotiable ko yun.
oo.
So parang,
Pero do you do that? Like, do you write your non-negos and negos sa isang guy?
ah,
Do you have like mga ganon?
do I
Parang or
write?
like nasa mind lang
Nasa
or
mind ko
notes
lang.
lang na
Oo.
parang 'di ba siyempre may dream ano ka din, partner. So 'di ba may mga ganon negos and non-negos ka talaga like sinusulat
Yes.
mo?
Actually, they say, sulat mo nga talaga. Pero be
Mm.
realistic. Wag yung,
Yeah.
let's say, 7 feet blue eyes, light brown hair. Wag naman sobrang,
Super like ano,
I'm not
tas
saying it's
yeah,
impossible,
pero lalo
pero,
na like parang kunwari andito ka lang sa community, I mean like nasa Pilipinas ka, eh, siyempre wala namang masyadong alam mo yun parang like titingnan mo din
oo
kung
nga.
yung standard ba is magwo-work din. Wala naman
Yes.
din nga masama na mangarap na parang alam mo yun na parang Prince Charming ang
Oo,
dating. Pero
oo.
kasi depende rin alam mo yun parang nasa action mo din like parang baka kasi andito ka lang din naman sa Pampanga, eh,
I'm in the wrong environment.
oo, baka wala ka naman sa tamang environment to have that
Oo.
kind of standard or
Oo.
dream, right? So, yun. Ako din, narinig ko yun na parang like you need to write daw yung negos and non-negos mo for a
Mm,
guy.
mm, mm.
Dumating mo na ba sa point mo na parang eto yung standard mo tapos dahil tumatanda ka na at wala kang jowa, di ka nagkakajowa, bumababa? Sige, ano na nga lang, ano na lang, white pero ano, blue eyes. Tapos, blue eyes pero sige, ano na lang, ganito na lang.
I think, hmm, I have to say parang hindi.
Hindi,
Parang
okay.
hindi pa ako bumibigay. Pero
Mm.
nagiging realistic yung,
So, kayo naggi-give up ka na sa standard mo, ganyan. Tama, tama.
parang yung non-negotiables ko, non-negotiables pa rin. Pero yung what I thought mattered, hindi pala important. Yun yung na-realize ko
Oh,
ngayon.
okay.
Oo.
So, may non-nego ka nun tapos parang na-realize mo na, "Ay, itong non-nego na 'to hindi naman pala ito importante, hindi naman siya
Oo,
nagma-matter."
yun ang
So, tanggalin mo
na-realize
na
ko
lang. Pero
ngayon.
para alam mo yun?
Yes,
I
yes.
see, I see.
Something like that.
Yeah.
It's still a journey for
Ako
me.
din, like there's this one podcast, that I have listened to. Yun kay Dan Barreto, the Bear It All podcast. Para kasing yun nga, sabi niya na parang, never mo, if you have a standard, para kasi iba ganun naman talaga tayong mga tao. You set a standard for a guy or for anyone or for anything. Pero like, for example, sa guy, you set a standard. Siguro it's okay na magbago siya. Pero
Mm.
don't ever let na bumaba ng bumaba hanggang sa mawalan ka ng standard sa isang guy.
Mm.
Kasi, sabi niya na, which is I believe din, na pag binaba mo yung standard mo sa isang tao, nagsettle ka na lang for that.
Mm.
'Di ba? Na
Mm.
yun na nga dumating na tayo sa point na nag-aral ka ng mabuti, in-improve mo
Yes.
yung sarili mo, nag-invest ka sa
Mm.
ganito, and then magda-downgrade ka, tsaka lang magka-jowa ka, masabi mo na magka-jowa ka. From then on, like tumatak sa akin yun na wag mong ibababa yung standard mo dahil lang wala ka pang nami-meet ngayon na nagmi-meet yung standard mo. Kasi for sure, meron at meron yan.
Yes,
You have
that's
to be
true.
patient lang. And you have to be like, alam mo yun, you have to stick on that standard lang. Kasi kaya mo nga siya sinet na standard kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na parang that's your level eh. That's your worth. Yung standard kasi feeling ko din, nagagaling siya sa how you know your worth as a
That's
person.
true. Yes.
So, yun lang din yung natutunan ko na parang never ever let that standard of yours na ibaba mo lang or pamigay mo na lang dahil lang gustong-gusto mo na. Kasi nga, for sure, yung
Tama.
may
Yeah.
tao talaga for you eh. Ako naniniwala ko may kapareha ka talaga and makaka-attract ka ng ganong tao eh.
Kaya nga
Maniwala
they
ka lang sa
say,
universe.
yes, that's true. Kaya nga they say be yourself.
Always, yeah.
Kasi you'll attract the right person instead of, faking it. Yeah, attract mo, hindi, not for you. Kasi
Wait lang.
you're attracting.
So, kasi diba like, since, we're single naman both. And we are all aware naman na we're using apps, ganyan, to know,
I'm using
to
apps
meet,
finally.
to meet guys, diba? Dumating na ba sa point na you're showing characteristics na hindi naman ikaw? Para lang ma-please mo yung tao, yung kadate mo, ganon. And in short, you're not being you. Feeling
Well,
mo,
it
oh my
hasn't.
gosh,
Yes.
this person parang mas gusto niya ata, parang soft na girl. So parang ngayon ka magpapaka-soft ka, ganyan.
Have I showed a part of myself na not me?
Oo, parang ganon. Kasi nga para lang ma-attract mo tong guy. Yung mga ganon. Hindi kasi that's so true. Kasi ako, minsan nangyayari, parang, shit, parang mas gusto niya ata, parang mas matigas. I mean, like, mas brusko na. May mga ganon kasi, like, lalo na in our
Inisip ko
world.
something sexual, no?
No. Not really naman. Like, for example, like, parang mas kunwari parang, parang ang feeling mo, this guy, interested siya sa mga smart, ganyan. So, parang ikaw, parang feeling mo,
Hindi pa.
smart-smartan ka, ganyan. Parang yun nga,
Hindi
parang inaano
pa.
mo yung self mo.
Hindi pa. Siguro, I'm that dense, I
Yeah.
think. Usually, I'm a take it or leave it.
Oo, yun. Yun din na maganda kasi nga,
Oo.
doon ka, nagsistick ka din sa parang, this is me. So, if you like me, then let's go.
Oo.
Pero if you don't like this kind of
Oo.
personality, then
So far, hindi
we're not
pa.
working out.
Oo.
Oh, I
So
love it. I
far,
love it.
or siguro hindi ko rin, not naman di ako marunong, pero I haven't gone to that place na, I need to change to please him.
Oo. In short,
Parang it's
piniplease mo
either you
yung,
like me or you don't like me. I'm sorry. Parang ganon.
alis to si mami mo. Tita, babay po. It's a podcast.
Yeah,
Oh
we're
my gosh, we're
recording.
recording.
Ano
Tita,
ba
dito
ka?
ka, parang, yeah.
Ano.
Guys, this is
100.
the mom of Mitch. Say hi,
Hello.
Tita.
Hi, everyone watching. Hope you have a great day.
I love it. Oh,
sige.
super sweet, tita. The question is, did it ever happen to you na sa sobrang desperate mo na magka-jowa? Like, kahit, ano ba to like, dating-dati ba? Baka may experience ka lang. Sobrang jowang-jowa ka na. Like, kahit sino na lang. Nangyari na.
Hindi pa.
Hindi. Okay. Yung kasing core mo is that.
Yes. Oo
Sobrang
nga.
stick ka kasi sa core mo di ba?
Mm-mm.
Na parang,
Di ko alam kung good yun or bad,
Mm-mm.
but sabi nga ng friend ko, alam mo, mukha ka kasi may jowa. How you move, everything.
yeah.
Mukha ka may jowa, kahit
Yung
single
facade
ka.
mo, yung
Oo, I
aura
don't know
mo.
what that means, but
Kasi siguro it's coming from a place nga
very
na
secure.
secure
Maybe.
ka. At saka you know your
Mm-mm.
worth as a person
Mm-mm.
Never sumagi sa isip mo na kahit sino na lang. Diba yung iba pa nga na parang like kahit tumanda ako, single. Kasi like
Ayoko naman
they
yun,
know,
pero
they know
yeah.
like the worth ko as a person. Like I'm not gonna do that para lang magka-jowa ako in a sense.
Yes. Oo.
Which is tama naman din talaga.
Yeah, I think we're rare. Yung ganun mindset.
Yeah.
Yung ganun belief.
Mm-mm.
Kasi parang everyone else needs someone,
Yeah.
you know? But to be alone, sabi nga, if you can be alone and be okay by yourself, you're very powerful.
Yeah. I
Oo.
think that's so
Kasi
true.
it means you don't need anyone to validate you, you know? Or to make you feel whole. You're
Totoo.
okay by yourself.
Yung being single kasi, hindi siya symbol ng you're empty, you're missing.
Yes.
You're not enough, parang ganon.
Yes.
Yung being single kasi, it's more for me, it is empowerment siya of being a whole.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Kasi binubuo mo yung
Yes.
sarili mo
Yes.
Dapat kapag naghanap ka ng taong mamahalin mo, dapat puno ka.
Yes.
Diba? Hindi ka dapat,
That's what they say.
oo,
Yeah.
hindi ka
Oo nga.
dapat empty or like half empty or half full, right? Kasi daw, for example, we have that love tank na kapag puno, pag kunwari, you're half full, and then hanap ka ngayon ng taong mag-fill in yung love.
Yes.
Ang mangyayari, kapag yung guy na yon is umalis, kinuha niya na yung share niya,
Yeah.
you'll feel empty again.
Yes.
Unlike when you love a person, when you know to yourself na your love tank is full, dumating yung guy, mag-fill in siya, kumbaga like ang tawag dito, mag-overflow. So doon papasok yung overflowing love. Parang ganun, Keme. I just heard that from somewhere.
Add on
Which is so true naman talaga, diba? And now, let's go to the last part. Oh, nasa last part
Which
na tayo.
is, last part na?
Yeah. What are your key takeaways dito sa topic natin? Advice? No, key takeaways on being single.
Actually, kwento natin
Yeah.
today over coffee. Na-realize ko, and nare-remind ako na, oo nga no, parang good choice talaga yung I didn't let myself, di ako bumaba, parang ganun. And
Hindi mo pinush na paano,
Oo.
nung hindi ka pa ready, nung time na hindi ka pa ready,
Yes.
hindi mo,
oo, tsaka yung,
pinakinggan mo yung sarili mo.
tsaka na-realize ko rin, oo nga no, sarap maging single. Especially when you needed it.
Yeah.
Especially yung young years mo,
Yeah.
dapat nga, for me, single yun eh. Kasi, you're discovering yourself eh. How can you
You're
discover
so free.
yourself kung may sabit ka?
Yeah, it's freeing You know,
Yes.
it's so freeing.
Guys, really, take it from us. Especially kung
Yeah.
nasa young, early 20s ka, yung 20s
That's
mo,
so true.
especially early 20s,
Yeah,
bigay mo
that's so
sa
true.
sarili mo yan.
True.
Oo.
True na yun. Pero syempre, again, we're not against sa mga may
Oo
mga
nga.
jowa. Kasi ito, like, ini-empower namin yung ang isa't
Oo.
isa on being a single.
I think, the word I'm thinking of as we converse is timing.
Timing, that's so true.
Kunwari yung iba, timing nila is, 'di ba sabi ko, early 20s, dapat bigay mo sa sarili mo yan, enjoy. But what if yung timing mo is, may in love ka talaga early 20s?
Yeah.
Then, yun yung timing
Yun yung
mo.
timing mo, yeah.
Ako, I guess, late bloomer.
Yeah.
Timing ko is late.
Yes.
I need to, I guess, follow that.
Yeah.
I think, iba-iba.
Hindi uniform yung timing.
Yes, lahat
Kaya nga
tayo, iba yung
timing eh.
timing.
Hindi mo alam kailan.
So,
Yung timing kasi, di ba, hindi siya parang like 3 o'clock
Oo.
or hindi siya 4 o'clock. Hindi siya
Mm-mm.
specific.
Mm-mm.
Timing is like parang minsan hindi mo alam when.
Yes.
Kaya natatimingan mo siya.
Yes. So, I guess while waiting, enjoy your
Yeah,
singleness.
yun.
But when the timing says, okay,
Eto
you need
na.
to,
Yeah.
dito ka na papunta, you have to follow it. Kasi
Mm-mm.
kung titigasan mo yung sarili mo, na talagang
Open up and soften up.
season of life. Oh, yan.
Season.
So, kung season of life mo is singleness,
Embrace it.
I love it, embrace it. Pero kung papunta na ka na sa jowa season, embrace it din.
Oo.
Sana
Go
doon
for
ako pupunta. Char!
for it. Yeah.
Tayo, I mean.
Yes.
Ganon.
So, I love that takeaway of yours na
Mm-mm.
parang enjoy yung season mo right now. Parang being in the now.
Mm-mm.
Like, pero, di ba, minsan talaga, darating kasi sa point na parang, oh my gosh, when kaya? Mapapatanong ka talaga. Like, ako talaga, sometimes, it
Ay,
happens.
ako, all the time. Yeah,
Yeah,
oo.
mapapatanong ka, Lord, when kaya?
Pag
Pero-
kayo na lang ni Lord, oo,
Mm-mm.
parang, ano ba?
Pero pag babalik talaga ako sa corner, no, alam ko, like, you have that person for me. I'll just gonna give it to you and just gonna raise it up to you.
Mm-mm.
Parang, kaya ako ganito ngayon, kaya ako single kasi, gusto mo na i-enjoy ko pa kasi alam mo na marami pa akong gagawin.
Yes.
Ganon. Kasi baka malimitahan na ako, di ko na ito magawa. Baka, alam mo, maging
Yes.
ma-regret ko pa. But then again, it's naniwala ko dun eh. It's really like a timing and you need to really seize the moment that you're in right now. Soak in with that season
Mm-mm.
and
Yes.
soaking in that season or parang loving yourself.
Yes.
Then,
yes.
Ano
You
ba
can
ang mga
never
takeaways
go
natin?
wrong.
Totoo. Parang focus on yourself, improve mo pa yung sarili mo.
At saka hobbies.
Ah,
Kuwari, you wanna try this.
yeah,
O
do
kung
it.
do it.
Yeah.
Single ka, go.
Yeah,
That's what it means na embracing your singleness.
that's so true.
May gusto kang i-try, go. May gusto kang i-explore, go. Pottery, painting, gym.
Diba? Lalo na
Go!
ngayon, ang daming activities. Ang daming
Yes.
na-invent, ang daming
Don't
mga
limit
sports
yourself. Oo.
na nangyayari, ang daming mga extracurricular na, alam mo yon,
Yes.
every Sunday, may mga run, every ganito.
Yes.
So, parang feeling ko, i-ano mo din, when you're single and parang hindi
Try
mo naman din
mo lang yung
kailangan.
gusto
Try
mo
mo lang
try.
lahat, parang
Yun
invest
yung
ka.
masarap sa being single. Kung may gusto ko try, go lang.
That's so true.
Go, whatever it is.
Parang
Diba?
yun nga eh. Tapos parang eto like for example like in our same age na you're working. Tapos lalo na for example you're working and then you have your own money na.
Mm-mm.
Tapos there's a lot of activities na pwede mong i-try and then you're single.
Yes,
Parang feeling ko
yes.
that's the perfect time to grab those eh.
Yes, that's
to
true, that's
expose
true.
yourself on those kind of
Yes,
stuff.
True.
Kasi parang alam mo yun, no judgment eh. No control from other
Yes.
people, no pressure, no
Self-love din yun, by the way.
Yeah, it's hindi mo lang siya minsan kasi 'di ba parang akala nila baka nakikita mo lang siya as parang gastos to or whatsoever or kasi nga kaya nga hahanapin mo yung passion mo for a certain thing. Hindi mo naman gagawin dahil uso siya or whatsoever,
Yes.
right?
That's
So,
also parang healing your inner child.
Yeah,
Kunwari,
kasi dati
yes.
for example
Hindi mo
for
to
example,
nagawa dati.
yeah, dati hindi
Now
ko
I
to nagawa.
can.
Yeah,
Oo.
that's so true na parang like for example ngayon I am parang more on focusing. Ang activity ko recently is like playing tennis. Kasi dati, hindi
oo
naman,
nga, kita
sa
ko.
school namin, sa elementary namin, hindi
wala
naman.
tennis.
Oo, parang badminton lang yung pinaka-racket sport
gusto
namin.
mo i-try.
Yeah, kasi nga, kaya tinatry ko lahat ng
okay.
bagay ngayon na hindi ko na-try. Again, it's healing your inner child or healing your
Yes,
young you.
Yes,
Ganun.
oo.
Kaya parang, di ba, nagagawa ko, like,
Mm.
na-schedule ko yung
Walang
dapat
ano ba
kong
yan?
gawin.
Tennis ka na naman?
Yeah,
Diba?
walang ganon, walang ano, hindi, walang magtatanong sa or
Yes.
magdi-discourage sa'yo
Yes,
in
yes.
doing things that
Oo.
you really want to do. Tsaka ang saya
And-
kaya. Ang
And
saya.
follow the timing of
Swear.
your life. I'm also saying this to myself
Yeah.
kasi dati, alam mo, may ko-confess ako. Galit na galit ako kay God dati and maybe a little bit now, but less. Kasi parang Kasi minsan nape-pressure din ako na bakit 30 ganyan na ako,
Wala pa rin.
wala pa rin. Lord, akala ko ba love mo ko? Mga gano'n.
Yes,
I
yes.
do have those
Yeah.
moments. But now, I'm realizing na bakit lang talaga late bloomer ako or yung timing ni Lord sa akin late.
Yes.
And yun nga, we all have different timings and seasons.
Kasi 'di ba, may mga gano'n naman
Iba-iba
moments na
pala
parang
talaga.
late na sila talagang nakahanap
Mm-mm.
ng partner, eh, minsan nga
Mm-mm.
hindi na nag-jowa diretso asawa na, eh.
Yes,
'Di
that's a
ba may
goal.
gano'n? Kasi nga parang nasa season talaga siya.
Oo.
And then additional is galaw-galaw ka din, feeling ko, 'di ba? Kasi ako din, ako
Oh,
naman,
that's advice
na-realize
to
ko
me
din
din.
dati
Oo.
pray lang ako ng pray. May ginagawa ka ba to
Oh my God,
have a
okay.
jowa
Okay,
or
we need
makamit?
to debunk this right now. You
Oh.
know I don't know kung movies or shows, the thinking na it will come at the right time. Pero wala na akong ginawa. Kasi I would think,
Na ano ka na
eventually, I
yeah.
will meet someone. Pero that's
Oh my
what they
gosh,
don't
that's so
say, mga
true.
dating coach. No, you have
Totoo.
to put yourself out there. So,
Totoo 'yun.
mistake ko yun. Mistake ko yun. Kaya nga I'm
Guilty.
trying to,
Guilty ako diyan.
yeah, same. So,
Kasi
don't
alam
be
mo
like us.
na-realize ko talaga, like parang dati nung single
Feel
ako,
ko,
parang
nakaupo ka lang.
oo, one tamad talaga,
Oo,
literal na
oo.
nakanganga ka, inaantay mo yung bayabas na mahulog sa bunganga mo. Kasi baka nga pray ka ng pray, wala ka namang actions, wala ka namang, you don't
So
do
that's
anything.
our lesson for us.
Yes, for us. Which is yun
Oo.
naman, na tawag dito, na-learn naman na natin yun eh. Kasi nga, di ba,
Yes. Kaya nga,
recently
making it
nag-usap
different
kami,
na.
yeah, na,
Date na
huy,
kami,
sa app
ganyan.
na-meet ko
Apps
to,
na.
ganyan. Kasi minsan, di ba sa mga dating app, parang minsan hindi mo sure kung totoo yung tao. So magtatanong ako sa kanya, Mitch, how do you know if a person is true or real? So, you need to search at Google, ganyan. So nagkakaroon kami ng ganong conversation na parang,
Oo.
wait lang, saan pa ba sa Tinder ba or sa Bumble? Mas marami, ganyan.
Para
Well,
mas okay
again,
Bumble.
oo, yun. Malay mo, next podcast natin to, te, may mga,
Ay,
may jowa
Jess,
na.
next
The
next
feeling of
podcast
having a
natin.
boyfriend. Oh my gosh, manifest.
Manifest.
Ang next podcast na
Ay,
natin daw, what?
what's the feeling of
Ayun.
early stages of jowa?
Ganon, oo nga. So, yun lang guys. Mitch, thank you so much for being my guest in this first ever podcast.
It's an honor.
Yes.
It's an honor.
Thank you so much for opening yourself and opening your heart
Oh.
to the public. Malay mo naman, may mga nanonood dito.
My
You
number
can,
is
yeah,
below.
Michelle, so you can follow her on her socials. You can follow her on her socials. And yeah, andito lang yan sa Pampanga lang yan siya, guys. Di naman siya namaalis dito.
Hindi ko maalis ng bahay.
Yeah.
I'm kidding.
Yeah. Pero like, ano lang yan, bahay, gym, school. Right?
Yes,
Or
oh my
minsan,
gosh.
adrenaline junkie yan si Mitch. So, kung adrenaline junkie ka katulad niya, magkakasundo kayo.
Message me.
Yes.
DM me.
Thank you so much, Mitch.
Thank you,
you so
Jess. I
much for
enjoyed our
being here. I love you so much.
Girl talk.
Guys, thank you
Girl
so much for watching or for listening. Don't forget to share this episode if if you've learned something, kahit sana konti lang may natutunan kayo or para may na-share kami or even, or kahit na na-touch lang namin ng inyong mga puso. We just wanna thank you for being and listening to this podcast. See you on the next episode.
Yes.
Bye.